In this short video, I will be showing you how to start using Read and Write for iPad. Read and Write for iPad is an easy-to-use alternative keyboard and Safari web toolbar. The first step is to find the app in the RCDSB app catalog or in the App Store. The first time you run Read and Write, you'll be shown a setup wizard. This gives information on how to activate the keyboard and access the web toolbar. Launching Read and Write will take you straight to the settings screen. The first thing we need to do is to sign in. Use this button to link the app to your Google account, enabling all of the premium features through our school board's Read and Write license. Click Sign in with Google. Use our school board email address. And we can see that it has been linked. From this settings screen, we can alter how Read and Write for iPad works. Before we adjust the settings, we need to go to the iPad settings to continue to install. Under General, we choose Keyboard. Under Keyboards, we go to Add a new keyboard, and Read and Write Keyboard will be here. Next, we allow full access, and we allow. We'll go back to the Read and Write app to adjust our settings.